Hi friends, welcome to our channel Indian Agrotech. In this video, we are going to see the banana leaves harvesting techniques. Choose a mature banana plant with healthy leaves. Typically, the leaves used for harvesting are those from the outer layer of the plant and top of the plant, as they are most suitable for use. Ensure you have necessary tools for harvesting, such as sharp knife, gloves, and basket or container to collect the leaves. Stand near the banana plant and observe the plant and identify the leaves which is soft and mature, which are ready for harvesting. The leaves are usually large, fully grown, and have green color. Cut the selected leaf of its base near the stem using sharp knife. Shake the leaves gently to remove the excess moisture in the leaves. Examine the leaf for any damage or torn leaves may not be suitable for use. In the storing process of leaves, stack the harvested leaves on top of each other, with the underside facing on top of each other In the storing process of leaves, stack the harvested leaves on the top of each other with underside facing up to prevent drying and curling of leaves. If you need to transport the banana leaves to different locations, make sure to handle them carefully to avoid tearing or damaging further. Store them in cool and dry place to maintain freshness until they are ready to be used. See, this man is collecting the harvested leaves, which is good for serving food. See, the harvested leaves are stored in cool and dry place. See, this man is arranging the leaves in the proper way. See, this man is packing 10 leaves in one bunch, which is easy for transporting and handling purpose.